Nagarbuti na isiyangkat a dance parade ti Abel and Bawang Festival 2023 iti Pinili, Ilocos Norte. Ado dagiti bisbisita ang naggapu kariti kabkabangibang nga ili adi maray ken nagbuya pakairamanen ng dagiti babalikbayan ang naggapumet kariti nagduduma a pagilian adagitoy ket imayda bimakasyon iti karaytoy a panagpesta tina sao a lugar. Makita a maragsakanda tangamin ket naidumduma ken nalalaing kano dagiti performers ang naggapu kariti na duma-duma a barangay adagitoy ket na cluster. Buyaen ti panikisarsarita ti JCQ Online TV Channel dagiti sumagmamano a babalikbayan anamangha dagiti sumasala ti Abel and Bawang Dance Parade iti garaytoy atawen 2023.
Masaya kasi first time in almost 16 years na hindi ako umuwi ng fiesta, and finally nakauwi ako. And you know what? This is my dream to see this yung showdown at saka yung I've always wanted to watch Tanok, but of course I haven't had a chance. But this one, ang gaganda, ang gaganda ng mga costume nila. I'm really happy and I'm excited to come back tonight and watch the showdown. Right? Okay.
Alam ko na very talented ka po. So ano po yung masasabi mo sa mga choreographers natin po?
Magaling sila, and of course the children, kahit kagabi nakita ko ang mga bata ng Pinili are very outgoing now. Hindi sila nahuhuli sa trend. So I'm really happy, and this one right here, kahit yung mga costumes nila, the choreography, my God, it's so intricate. So parang hands down to sa mga nag-choreograph, sa lahat ng nag-produce nito. You guys are all good job.
This is beyond words. It's very spectacular and very good show. I will never miss this one because every time I come for the fiesta, I look forward to this thing, to this Bawang Festival. And after the pandemic, of course, we look forward to it. And so as all the other people, can you see all the people that were here? Oh my God, it's so like beyond words, So I'm glad I came, and I think every 2 years maybe, just to come and witness.
Ako nang garite choreographers and of course yung mga talents natin.
It's spectacular, they should be, aside from the kids, the choreographers should be raised up because, he's the one who initiated all this. Otherwise, the kids would not have anybody to imitate, And they did very, very well.
Message to our officials.
Again, beyond words, they're doing a good job, and all this Pinili, oh my God. Every time I see it in Facebook and all that stuff, I want to go back. I want to go back again, so.
Para ti JCQ Online TV Channel, Joey Cordero Kiawit, nagipadamag.